Alright folks, let's get right into it. Today I'm comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Is upgrading really worth it? Let's break it down. First up, the design. Both phones look sleek and premium, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with some fresh tweaks. It's slightly lighter and has a new titanium frame, which not only looks awesome but also feels more solid in hand. The iPhone 15 Pro Max with its stainless steel frame is still a strong contender. Moving on to the display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max steps up the game with the new Promotion XDR display. We're talking increased brightness and a smoother 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look super smooth. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's OLED screen isn't bad, but it's limited to a 60Hz refresh rate. Now let's talk processors. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which was already blazing fast. But the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts the new A17 Bionic chip. This chip is a powerhouse, offering nearly a 20% performance boost and better energy efficiency. Apps load faster, games are smoother, and the overall experience feels snappier. Onto the cameras. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has an impressive setup, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes it up a notch. We're looking at a 48-megapixel main sensor with improved low-light capabilities and AI-enhanced image processing. Video recording also gets an upgrade, with support for 8K resolution and super steady stabilization. Battery and charging, anyone? The iPhone 16 Pro Max packs a slightly bigger battery, offering up to 2 hours longer battery life than the 15 Pro Max. Plus, it supports faster wired and wireless charging. You'll appreciate these improvements during those long days and heavy usage. Now let's check out some extra features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers some exclusive features like enhanced Face ID, which works from more angles and in low light. It also comes with new AI-powered functions that make multitasking a breeze. Then, there's the software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 17, offering some exclusive perks that the 15 Pro Max doesn't get. Features like smart widgets and advanced privacy controls are here to make your life easier and more secure. So, should you upgrade? If you're rocking the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the improvements in the 16 Pro Max are significant but not groundbreaking. However, if you want the latest and greatest tech, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's it for today's comparison. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.